You gonna read to me? Okay. Show me what's in the book. Open it up. Show me what's in here. What's that?
Baba.
It's a ball.
This box.
Blacks. What are these? What are those?
Yeah.
What's this, Lucas? What are those? Yep, shoes.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what this is? Right here?
Box.
Yeah, those are blocks. What is this? What are these? Okay. What's that?
Door.
A door. Good.
Yeah. We.
Yeah, we on the swing.
No.
What's that?
Right.
Fly. Butterfly. Good job.
Right.
What's this? Do you know what that is?
There.
A chair? What's that?
No.
Is that a phone?
Yeah.
Can you say phone?
Bun.
Phone?
Bun.
Okay. What is this?
Art.
Is that a flower?
No.
Flower? Okay, let's turn the page. Oh, animals. You love animals. What's that? Is that a car? Yeah, that's how he shows it's a car. The airplane? What's this? It's actually a semi-truck, but it looks like a train to him, so he says choo-choo. And what's this? Good. Meow for cat. What's this? Moo. Good job. What's this?
Duck.
That's a dog. What sound does a dog make?
No.
What sound does a doggy make?
Yeah.
Woof, woof.
Blue.
Say woof, woof. What sound does a doggy make, Lucas? Can you say woof, woof? Okay, let's turn the page.
Okay.
What's that?
Him.
A banana? Banana? Yeah, it's a banana. What's this?
He.
Those are your slippers.
No. Sit.
Was that bath time?
No.
What's that?
This.
It's a teddy bear. What's this? Brush. What's that? It's a bed.
Yeah.
What's this?
Juice.
Juice. When he wants a sippy cup, he says, juice, juice. The end.
I.
All done. Say, all done. Or do you want to show more? Let's do our animal sounds again. What's that? Meow. The cat.
Boo.
It's a doggy. Woof, woof. It's funny. Every time we're in the car and a car goes by, it goes vroom, vroom, or it goes beep, 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 beep. Yeah? Car goes beep, beep. Yeah.
B. Hey.